How's it going, guys? This is Bassmaster819. I'm going to be showing you my newest tackle warehouse shipment. Just to start off, this is the Garcia Vendetta rod. This comes in a lot. This is the 6'6" version, medium bait caster. When buying this rod, be careful of what you get, because, well, this is a medium. I was told before that it acts like a medium heavy, so just be aware of that. And medium heavies act like heavies, and just be aware when buying it. Nice looking. That. Alright. Next up is what I have it paired up with. Oh, actually, getting it from Tackle Warehouse, if you spend over $150, they give you a free t-shirt. And then for $5, I got a long sleeve t-shirt, so. Next thing that's up is the Garcia Pro Max 2 left-handed version. Looks like this when you open it up. There it is. Looks pretty good so far. I'm excited to start using it. Alright. Oh, by the way, gear ratio on this, it's an 8 bearing. Gear ratio is 7 to 1, 711. So it's good reel. Next up is something I'm very excited to fish, the Koppers frog. This is a 55T. It's about 2 1/4 inches. It won the best new soft bait in iCast. It's very realistic. That's what it looks like. This is the This is a brown black color. But it looks pretty cool when you take it out. It's got little legs. Got little legs here. Nice. It is very realistic. Real soft. So, real excited to fish this. Another topwater bait I got. Booyah Buzz bait. I don't know. ½ ounce. I'm really great about it. I keep on losing buzz baits. Next up, Havoc. devil spear. Been wanting to fish this since Mike Iaconelli started fishing them. It's like 4 inches. This is the Sapphire blue, and just excited about fishing them. It's supposed to be real nice. Another thing by Havoc that I like to fish is Pit Boss. A lot of good reviews about these pit bosses, so I'll try those out. Now the next couple baits are nothing special at all. First, just got Donagotsi baits. Oops. Alright, well, this I do like a lot. Rage Tail, Strike King Rage Tail Anacondas. This is the 7-inch ones. I've been fishing these all season. They're one of the best soft plastics I use. I love the movement on them, the action. I feel like they just work really good. These are 7 inches in watermelon red black. Now the next two are wave worm anacondas. They were 99 cents on Tackle Warehouse, and they're huge. That's really what I want, is just a big heavy worm to just throw. You only get 3 in a pack. That's it. And the one I got, the red shad, and this one is like a blue-black flake. So they're 99 cents, and you get 3 of them in a pack, but it's cheap, so try them out. Next one, wave worm tiki tubes. These are the green pumpkin chartreuse. I didn't really have any tubes at all, so why not? Alright. These are just Zoom Horny Toads. Green pumpkin. Heard good stuff about these. Try them out. See if they're better than the Rage Tail Toads. Okay, that's pretty much the end of the video. That's all I got. Thanks for watching.